These are 5 popular Canadian bacon brands that hide a watery secret, alongside 3 excellent options that deliver perfect flavor. Supermarket meat aisles look identical to most Shoppers, but behind the colorful packaging, substantial quality differences exist. Some companies inject their pork with heavy salt water to artificially inflate the weight, meaning you pay premium prices for plain tap water. We break down exactly which 250-gram packages deserve your hard-earned loonies and which ones belong back in the freezer. We will examine the 5 worst offenders on store shelves right now before revealing 3 superior options you should buy instead. Before looking at specific labels, understanding how commercial meat processing works explains why certain slices perform poorly in your frying pan. Grocery stores price back bacon by weight, so budget brands pump their raw pork with a liquid brine solution containing water, salt, and sodium phosphate to maximize profits. The meat absorbs this heavy liquid like a sponge, inflating the scale at the checkout counter. When you place those slices into a pan heated to 190 degrees Celsius, the heat forces all that trapped moisture out. The result is bacon that boils in its own juices rather than frying, leaving you with a rubbery and shrunken disc. You wanted a hearty breakfast, but you end up eating a sad gray circle of processed pork. Paying attention to the ingredient list prevents this soggy outcome, leading us directly to the first brand you should politely leave on the shelf. Our first offender sits in the bright yellow packaging at Loblaw stores across the country. The no-name brand promises budget-friendly back bacon for families trying to save a few toonies. The initial price tag looks appealing, but the cooking process reveals a serious flaw. This specific product contains one of the highest water contents on the market. As soon as the meat hits the hot cast iron, a large puddle of white liquid bleeds out from the center. You are basically steaming the pork, and the texture turns exceptionally tough, requiring heavy chewing to break down the dense fibers. Because the brine concentration leans heavily on cheap sodium, the resulting flavor is overwhelmingly salty rather than pleasantly smoky. Your wallet might feel heavier leaving the store, but your breakfast plate ends up looking quite bare. If you find these grocery tips helpful, hit subscribe and the notification bell as we release food breakdowns like this every week. Moving over to Walmart, the Great Value line presents our second major disappointment. Authentic Canadian back bacon requires a certain thickness to provide that satisfying meaty bite, and Great Value fails by ignoring this standard. They slice their product excessively thin to increase the visual piece count inside each package, which causes immediate problems during cooking. The edges curl up violently within seconds of touching the heat, meaning the center rarely cooks evenly. You either pull it out early and eat undercooked pork, or wait 30 seconds too long and end up with charred and brittle chips. Beyond the slicing issue, the curing process leaves an artificial chemical aftertaste that lingers in your mouth long after breakfast ends. There are better ways to feed your family without settling for this specific product. The third product to avoid comes from a highly recognized name. Schneiders produces several good items, but their standard back bacon line misses the mark completely. To maintain a vibrant pink hue sitting under harsh supermarket fluorescent lights, the company relies heavily on synthetic nitrates and artificial preservatives. That bright color tricks the eye, leading consumers to grab it, thinking the meat is fresh. Those chemical additives strip away the natural pork profile, replacing it with a heavily processed and uniform taste. When you fry these slices, they shrink considerably, losing nearly 40% of their original diameter. You expect a premium experience given the familiar brand name, making the rubbery texture and aggressive shrinking even more frustrating. Leaving this one behind protects both your health and your morning meal quality. Shoppers frequently spot our fourth disappointing brand at Metro grocery locations. The Selection brand consistently suffers from severe quality control issues regarding its meat cuts. One package might contain mostly lean protein, while the very next package on the same shelf hides thick bands of chewy and inedible gristle right through the center. This inconsistency ruins weekend brunches because you never know what texture you will actually serve. Adding to the frustration, the smoking process tastes entirely artificial. Instead of using real hardwood smoke, The factory applies a liquid smoke flavoring that coats the tongue with a bitter and acrid residue. You end up masking the meat heavily with maple syrup just to swallow it. Skipping the selection brand entirely saves you from this unpredictable gamble. Our final item to skip targets a different section of the cooler. Maple Lodge Farms Chicken Bacon offers an alternative for families avoiding pork, but the execution fails terribly. Turning lean poultry into a bacon substitute requires extensive processing and chemical binders to hold the meat paste together. Because chicken breast lacks natural fat, the factory compensates by dumping large amounts of sodium into the mixture. The resulting slices dry out instantly in a hot pan, turning into tough and cardboard-like strips. The flavor attempts to mimic traditional smoke, but lands closer to salted plastic. Creating a healthier breakfast option is a noble goal, so it is a shame this particular product relies on so much artificial engineering. There are much better ways to enjoy a protein-rich morning meal without subjecting yourself to this heavily modified substitute. We turn our attention to the better options now, starting with Lou's Peameal Bacon as our first recommended purchase. This product represents the standard of traditional Canadian breakfast meats. They start with high-quality whole pork loins and cure them gently without aggressive water injection. The factory then rolls the entire loin in real, golden yellow cornmeal, and that simple crust makes a striking difference. When you place a thick slice into the pan, the cornmeal toasts up beautifully, creating a satisfying, crispy exterior that locks all the natural juices inside. The meat stays tender, the flavor feels authentically rich, and the shrinkage is practically non-existent. Grabbing a package of Lou's guarantees a superb, restaurant-quality meal right in your own kitchen. Our second strong option caters directly to health-conscious shoppers, as Greenfield Natural Meat Company approaches bacon production with completely different standards than the budget brands. They source their pork exclusively from farms that raise animals without antibiotics, and they entirely eliminate artificial nitrates from their curing process. To achieve that classic pink color and preservation, they use natural celery extract instead of laboratory chemicals. This clean ingredient list results in a beautifully balanced and mildly sweet profile that tastes like real, farm-fresh meat. The slices hold their shape nicely at high heat, developing a gentle caramelization around the edges. Supporting agricultural practices that prioritize animal welfare and natural ingredients makes sense, and the superior taste easily justifies the slightly higher price tag at the checkout counter. The final excellent choice sits waiting for you at Loblaws and Shoppers Drug Mart locations. The President's Choice Free From line consistently delivers a premium back bacon experience. They cut their slices generously thick, allowing the pork to develop a proper sear without drying out the middle. Like our previous entry, this line totally rejects artificial preservatives, leaning entirely on natural hardwood smoking to build deep and complex flavors. You can actually taste the sweet applewood notes in every single bite. The fat-to-lean ratio hits the perfect balance, providing just enough rendering to lubricate the pan while keeping the slice meaty and filling. Spending your loonies on this premium product ensures your weekend breakfast feels like a genuine celebration of proper Canadian food traditions. The grocery store meat aisle hides many watery traps, but with these details, you can shop with confidence. Skipping heavily processed and brine-injected products ensures your family enjoys real and filling food. Treat yourself to the thick-cut and naturally smoked options from Lou's, Greenfield, or President's Choice instead, as quality ingredients always make the morning better. If you appreciated this breakdown of supermarket brands, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next food review.